What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So today we're going to take a brief look at Slice Favorites. Now this is a separate window that allows you to quickly reuse your most used slices for quick editing inside of your level. So to illustrate that, we're going to go to our entity light over here, and I'm going to find it inside of my asset browser. To quickly do that, you can go find Slice in Asset Browser here, and you right click. It's going to take you right to it. If I right click on that, I can add as Slice Favorite. Alright, and once I do that, you can go to Tools, Other, Slice Favorites. And if you look on my right, you see that I have a few. These are actually from my personal project, these two here. So the entity light here. So this is our Slice Favorite window. And we can just drag and drop very easily when we're editing, and you can do this with a multitude of entities that you have built up, slices that you have built up. And once this window gets big, you can even add a folder, and you can call it human slices, whatever you want, and then we can drag those in there just for better editing and better organization. So very quick window. This is my gunner class for my game, so I'm working on that. But yeah, so this is a very quick video for today. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Otherwise, you guys won't really know when I'm coming out with videos if you haven't done so already. Discord, Patreon, all that good stuff is in the description below. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering on your projects. And until next time, keep developing.